Alright, yes sir, rise and grind. I'm back at y'all with another quick video with the pull-up king. Alright man, this morning I'm working on a 2009 Honda Accord, doing an alternator on it. My client out here, stranded out here in the parking lot, went dead on him. It's gonna be a quick one. We gotta take out the fan and the coolant reservoir to get to this. Let's go ahead and knock it out. That's a problem right there, loose terminal. I want to make sure that's tight before I let him go. Take off that battery terminal, get it going. That little slot, take that up out of there, slide it out. We got 10 mils. We got one. There's supposed to be two of them down at the bottom. Get up underneath. Get down there. Look like. You can see down here where that 10 mil is. You loosen it up. You don't really have to take it all the way off. Another one. That's the bottom of it. We want to take off our connectors here and here. Alright, let me point out real quick, man. When you see all this oil on your alternator like that, these V6 motors, they shape like a V, man. They start leaking the valve covers, leaking the gaskets. And let me get some light on it. And that's how it started looking after a buildup of oil around the valve cover. And it gets on the alternator, man, and can ruin your alternator as well. Got that 12 mil. Get that out. Got this 10 mil right here. Move that. This connector down here. Gotta remove that. Alright, once you remove that, that whole piece come out. Move that out the way. We're gonna take this cover off, turn these tabs, unlock them. Get a little bit more room. Now we can work on getting this belt off. This is the technique I use to get the belt off. A socket, 19 mil socket on that pulley. Get you some light. So that's the way that pulley look. And you got to push up on it. Alright, we're going to start with that 12 mil at the top. It's up under here, that's the one we're looking at. Go on the back side. And hit that. Alright, hit the bottom one. That's the bottom one right there. Alright, I hit that with the 14. Alright, it's so messy, man. Now we get that last bolt out at the bottom, which is a 14 mil. Get that out. Now we can swing this. Go ahead and get it out of here. Pull this right up through here. Matching up that part number. I believe this is a reman he bought. They all have lifetime warranties on them. Go back down the same way you came in. Alright, get that bottom bolt in there and work on that top one. Up these connectors. Alright, we got everything hooked up. Go ahead and install that belt and everything else. Alright, belt on. That belt tensioner, that thing is pretty tough. You gotta add a lot of force to put that on. And can't forget that connector. Get that in there. Alright, we in there. Go ahead and start her up. That's how you know when you got bad valve cover gasket. Start leaking like that. All around the valve cover. Alright, we got them back running. Alright, if you're liking the content, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell, man. Until next time, the Pull Up King.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.